You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. In English, they both come from French, so if you're curious and we kind of need to hear the French pronunciation, the top word is bourgeoisie, bourgeoisie. In English, therefore, bourgeoisie, bourgeoisie, bourgeoisie. It's easy. The bottom word is pronounced in English proletariat, proletariat, proletariat. It comes from French Proletariat. So, English pronunciations, bourgeoisie, proletariat, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.